Hello students, welcome ulit sa online tutorial natin. So let's continue with our discussion. No? So the next topic will be integration. Example problems for integration of trigonometric functions. No, ito na yung medyo pangit na. Actually, hindi naman pangit, but medyo marami na tayong kailangan memorize. Initially, yung mga basic integration equations magagamit pa din natin, but dito kasi mahirap to in a sense no na okay sana kung ito lang yung kailangan mong i-memorize or ito lang yung na-memorize natin ba. Ang mahirap na part kasi dito is galing kasi tayo sa differential calculus. And then sa differential calculus, we also memorize the derivatives of trigonometric functions. And then dito kasi baka magkahalo-halo, baka magkapalit. So, yun medyo mahirap. But anyway, the best way to memorize, no? I believe the best way to memorize this one is actually to use them in problem solving. The more problems you solve, magiging marabang muscle memory na lang nung yung mga ganito. Okay? Actually, ako medyo nalito pa din ako minsan pag halimbawa sa sine, di ba? Ang integral is ng sine is negative cosine, di ba? But if naalala nyo sa derivative, ang derivative ng sine is positive cosine, di ba? So careful kayo. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na medyo mahirap na part lang is baka malito kayo ba sa mga actual values, especially if it involves substitution. So yan medyo matagal na. Sige, so first tayo. Ito, integral of secant 5x tangent 5x. Now ito, I think alam natin to, dx. Yan. Now the integral of secant 5x tangent 5x. Now actually meron tayong equation, no? Yan, no? Yan, di ba? So, the integral of secant 5x is secant x plus c lang. Diretso na. Okay? So, now, ang problem lang natin is, notice, hindi ito, meron tayong 5. Ano yung mangyayari? Ano yung gagawin natin sa 5? Okay, so medyo baka malito kayo, sir, ano yung gagawin natin sa 5? So, actually, more or less the same lang to sa substitution. Bali, if naalala nyo, pwede kasi tayo mag-assume, no? Notice, ito, pwede nating sabihin na let u be equal to 5x. Diba? Pwede natin sabihin na let u be equal to 5x. Tapos, du should be equal to, ano yan, 5 dx. Okay? Meaning, we can now substitute. Tingnan nyo. Pwede natin sabihin na ito, if this is u, pwede natin itong palitan ng u. Ito, pwede din natin itong palitan ng u. Now, if the variable of integration is u, sorry, this should also be equal to du. Kaso nga lang, dx yan. How do we substitute this one with du? Notice, to make this du, diba, dapat 5 dx yan. So, we will simply multiply this one with 5. However, if you multiply that by 5, always neutralize it with 1 over 5. No? Para na-multiply lang natin yung function with 1. Multiplying the function with 1, para bang 5 over 5 is equal to 1. So, if we multiply it by 1, wala tayong ginawa sa value, no? The value is still the same. Okay? So, with that, we can now proceed with the substitution. So, by the way, I'll just write this one as 5x muna. Okay, and then substitute. So, this will become u, and then this is u, and then this is, this will become du. Okay? Okay, and then with that, we can now proceed with equation number, number 15. Yan. So, automatic, we have the integral for this one will be equal to, that is, secant x, secant, or in this case, secant u, that's 1 over 5 secant u plus c. Okay, and then again, we will substitute the original value of u as a function of x. So that is, instead of secant u, that's secant 5x. Okay, so I hope okay tayo dyan, ha? So again, do not be confused with the part, no, wherein we substituted it with u. We let u be equal to 5x. Again, ang idea lang yan is we want to use this equation man ito. However, this equation is only applicable if the inside the parenthesis was secant x. However, this is secant 5x man. So, hindi pwede yung diretso. But actually, if marami ka ng mga ganitong klase problems na na-solve, then actually, you do not need to do this one. Makikita mo agad, kailangan ko lang ng neutralizing factor na 1 over 5. However, most students actually yung pag na-skip nila nitong part na to, medyo nakakalimutan din na yung part na maglagay ng 1 over 5. So, still careful pa din. Okay, so let's try to check with our answer key. I believe tama naman. Yep. Sige. So I think that's it. If you have any questions or clarifications, comment down below. Let's proceed with problem number 2.